Exam, which school exam? How much you are? Don't tell me.
Now, just now, yesterday.
Other day I didn't see you. There is the other one here, friends. One is coming, one come, one go. Sit down. Hello. Sit down here. Sit down. Homeworks were there. Done.
Yes.
Huh?
Now, I think that
This man,
not came home.
why didn't you come? Exam. You are not understanding. You are asking now. Why you are asking for that exam? I think the homework was not there. 15 homework. Which school? Huh? DAV. Who is from DAV here? What work was she? You did the homework? So she did that. That means you don't study anything. That's the way you want to work. Hey, Priyanshi. Priyanshi, your paper has come. Mark has come. Monday. Huh? So you are done the homework?
No.
Why?
Doing.
Why are you doing now? Homework means you know what is the meaning of homework?
You wait at home.
All of you stand up.
After a long time, welcome back.
Again. Huh? In my home. Actually, others are coming from my mother. Huh?
My parents.
My parents home. So you got your own home, parents got parents home. All of you please sit down. Huh? Huh? Why you are absent these days? Don't make all this story. Go and call Krisha. You know who's Krisha? She can in the room. When I call this story, generally my home. Where is my home? Now after that, my parents' home. Your home and your parents' home are different. Your parents said not your home, no? I'll ask you, Mama. Why your answer don't tell all this? First day. First 3 days. 80 mark paper, no? 40 mark paper. You got the mark also?
Yes.
How much you got? Last time 39. Then you said I will get 40 and 40.
No, I didn't.
Then I claimed out. Huh?
Whatever. Fine, man.
What happened to become 34? Find this somewhere else nowadays. Any other world only. Making new logistics. Then what? Huh? What is it? We are in this world only or then why mark is coming less? Specific reason? Class there are a lot of people got full mark. No, so 34 is the maximum.
Yes.
In their schools.
Yes. No, not in my class, actually.
That means your class all are like you.
Not like me, I guess.
They study more, you study less. There are people I can tell your sister and 14 there. That is why I asked you. Probably. False information. 39, 34 out of 40. Do you know how much is this one? 97.5 marks. Do you know how much is this one? I have to calculate. I will calculate and this is coming as not even 90, 86% mark. This way decreasing 10%. If this way going on means it may come to 8, this is 30, 20. Next time what will I express? Over here. What is your my expectation? Anything you have? Anything you have to tell Philip? Huh?
No, I actually next time I do that.
Okay, after waiting how much? Fast, time gets over. I will tell about 60, no, about what? Pass mark is enough now. Why not? Pass is enough now. Answer now.
It's enough, but not.
No, not for me, okay, so you wanted to get, so, do you know what it is 7 is written? And now there is a digit I am going to fill it. What should I do, huh?
No,
9,
no, no. No, I'm
what is it?
6.
76. Okay, chalo, 75, chalo, 74. Above 74. Out of
80.
detail is coming, I'll drop to some. Hello? Very good. Bye bye. Sit over here.
Get that back. Still
Huh?
use that for
So without that also, isn't it? You are, what is your age?
14
1 4 or 4 1?
months.
Grandfather's age, don't know, I need a support over there. Okay. Is it so? 14 years, you do any exercise? Chalo, doubts are tell me.
Question number 3 and 4.
Question number 3 and 4. Lot of people are not. And 6. Only
Which three, sir?
Huh? You are doing time pass, na? Exercise, page number 77. Taken 77. 1 and 2, anyone got doubt?
No.
No. 3 has a doubt. Who has the doubt in 3? Yeah, I don't know. Reading, you know, at the read.
If the parent dies at restricted by
Hmm. Prove that means true or false. You have to prove. Oh. This one AB is parallel to CD and PS is the hello, madam, here is the transversal. You have to prove that bisectors of interior angles. You know what I mean by bisector? Dividing it into 2 equal parts. So PQRST, you. Do you know what you have to prove in this question? What are parallel? No, from the figure, what to parallel?
PQ is parallel.
PQ, QT, Acha TQ, QT parallel to RU. Yes or no?
Yes.
AB is parallel to, sure no? Reason. Q1. Therefore, angle AQR is equal to angle QRD. Reason. Alternate interior angles. Okay, this much all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay, half angle AQR will be equal to how much? Half angle QRD. That also is followed.
Okay.
Half of angle AQR will be same as angle TQR. Half angle AQR is equal to this angle now. Half of that one, either this or this, whichever you want to write, is equal to half angle QRD is equal to QRU. Reason is QT and RU are what are they? Bisectors. That is why it is become half. Now check. Are you followed? Okay. This one.
Oh, yes, that's you already.
This one now. These are equal now. Okay. Half of AQR means either is equal to this or this one. What is equal parts now?
Yes.
Okay. If a cake is taken and divided into equal parts, each will be half of the original cake now. So that means this is half of original cake. This is not original cake, AQR. Okay. So understood? Half of QRU. This is the bisectomy. This half is equal to this one. Whichever. It can be equal to this, it can be, but we need this one. Check. Next, angle PQR and angle QRU are. Huh? Hello. You went for some party or something? Then yes. Which party? Where did you go? You went out with your friends. Nice time pass. Another fun person also come from the friends. Okay. Chalo. This one is clear now. They are which type of angles? They are which one? Alternate interior angles. Therefore, if the alternate interior angles are equal, what will get parallel? QT is parallel to RU. Are you followed? Hence, true. Okay, now?
Yes.
Ria, how are you? All fine. Okay, so do you want to write down?
Yes.
Yeah. So write first.
Yes.
All of you sign this one. You,
Yes.
Ravish. Right.
That is good.
Yeah. Okay, now. You can sit down. Sit down. No, what is happening? Are you normally don't worry. We are there. Okay. Okay. Done. How much time is taking? One time.
Done.
Done. Adi. Study. Studying over time. What did you study? Over not done.
Done.
Today we have keep the homework. Today only Sanmitra is there, other two are not there. You want to see that?
No.
I it's written over. Achha. Okay. Which is the next question down?
4.
Already this way homework can give you. Written in the same diagram only.
That is fine.
Okay, read the question.
In the six.
Arey, read the fourth one first. Ah, no, okay, no problem. Who got fourth one down? So she will explain it. Okay, after the lecture, this Rahi will explain to you. Okay. Okay now. Shh. Hello, next one, fifth one, who got doubt? So they will explain to you. Mutual understanding, no? Problem solved.
Yes.
Next time I will do this. Where is the attendance? Chalo, other day I have asked you two things. One is, I still remember. Rahi, stand up. Come out from there. Come out from there. I know. I'll read the question for you. No. In the figure, PQ and RS are mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror in mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along with the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C. And again reflects back along CD through that AB path to CD. What is there? All of you listen to her. Huh? Oh, figure you want to do. 2 minutes. You want to draw diagram? You don't want to draw diagram? Whatever you want. A, B, C, D. RS. A, B, up. A is there, correct. That is B. A, go along the same. B. B. So here go to A, B, parallel to C, D. Okay. Yes. Hey. Excellent. Give the specs. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay. AB equal to CD. Angle is AB equal to. Oh. Better explain na. For reason. You can tell the reason, no problem. What is it? That is that angle ABC is the angle of incidence, no? All are listening. Nobody is asking. When I do, sir, how, why, all these asking questions asking. When she is telling, nobody is asking. You're scared of her and not scared of you. I don't know. Then why are you standing over there and wasting my time? Last class you said, I will explain. You remember? Yeah. Just didn't go through it. And
did go through it.
This is the angle of incidence. Angle ABC is called the angle of incidence.
AB.
AB is angle.
No, that's not
Raji. AB is angle. Who was done and come? Adya is reading now. Look here. This is a mirror. Keep quiet. Who is that? What is this line?
Incident.
What is this one? Now, where is its angle of incidence and angle of reflection? I have to teach physics now. Between incident and then.
Sir, when there is a normal.
Do you know what you mean by normal?
Yes.
This angle is called angle of incidence. This, who's that? Yeah. This angle is called angle of reflection. Very good in physics now. Understood? Angle between the incident ray and the normal is called which one? Angle of incidence. What is angle of reflection? Angle between reflected ray and the normal. Understood? So here got this. Okay, there should be a normal. If this is the mirror mean, there is a normal over here. So okay, you understood? Raji, I tell something you will do it and come now. Or at least before I ask, you should tell, sir, I am not prepared. They should tell, that is a way now. Huh? Did anyone have sheet not prepared and come? After this one, it's wrong, she said, I am not. This is what PQ.
RS.
PQRST. These two angles will be equal. If you consider this mirror, what is the incident ray? AB. What is the reflected ray? BC. If you consider this mirror, what is the incident ray? BC. What is the reflected ray? Have you followed this match? Anyone? Yes. Okay now. Now, what do you have to prove? AB is parallel to CD. If you can prove angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, they are the pair of alternate angles. If the alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay. First condition you will write this one, angle ABT will be equal to angle UBT. TB you know or CBT. CBT. Reason is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Then angle BCU is equal to angle UCD. Same angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That hello hero, what are you doing? You're painting. I will paint with this one on screen. I mean, no need to do 2 works at a time. Okay, your brain is small. Don't think this much big brain is there. Okay, should do only. Okay, you don't can do at a time. You know, it's a computer can do, but you do not. Okay. Now, this is clear, all of you. Okay, that means next is coming as these BT and CU are perpendicular to or first reason BT is perpendicular to what? PQ and CU is perpendicular to what? RS. Also, a PQ is parallel to RS. If these two are parallel and these two are perpendicular, then what you can conclude? They will be parallel to each other. Therefore, what we get? BT is parallel to CU. Are you followed or not? See, these two are parallel lines. Its perpendiculars will be always parallel to each other now. Now, if they are parallel, what will you get? Angle CBT, who is playing with the pen, is equal to angle BCU. Reason, alternate interior angles. Okay or not? Angle CBT can be written as half angle ABC. Yes or no? Because this one, because they are equal now. Here I can take this is 1, this is 2. Therefore, half angle ABC is equal to angle BCU can be written as what? Half angle BCD. Reason is from 1 and 2. If you want to write this one equal to, I can write one more step is equal to half angle ABC, and which is equal to half angle BCD. So that it's more clear for you. Okay, this reason is angle of incidence equal to. Now, so here half I forgot to put now.
Yes.
Okay, so half and half will be removed, means what will be left out?
Angle ABC.
Angle ABC will be equal to angle BCD. Look at the figure. This is the thing you have written. Till without writing here. Then you write henceforth. Then next step you write, but angle ABC and angle BCD are which type of angles? Alternate interior angles. If alternate interior angles are equal, what we conclude? AB is parallel to CD. Is it or not? Hence, proved. HP. HP. She's little HP. Followed now, all of you. Bring that question paper next class, okay? Let me see the question paper. To Rohan, I am telling you. Yes, okay. So now, don't take tension, okay? Okay. Design. Aryan, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some this one, Sanmitra following.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. And we have to go to the next exercise. Done.
Yes, sir.
Hello, madam, are you following now? Practice. Mark place sitting, you got the paper? Last paper, full paper. How much you want? Huh? The recently you got one paper also, no? How much? Where is it? No, we are taking full mark.
No,
I mean,
thanks to
get the marks now, okay? Any hand? Sorry, brother, we after you ate all the things. You ate all the things. You didn't feel everything. Okay now, done. History, your hand is okay now. Where is your operator? Let's see. Where is the operator? You won't see what's happening, staying there. Actually, won't see.
no.
This big bird. Okay. Chalo, done now. The answer you will find now. No find. Hello, nine. RTM standard. You are supposed to explain something. No. I shall remember everything now. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Did I ask you to learn the prove it in the class? No. I remember all. I go to different classes all. 9, 7, 10, 12, CBSE, ICC go. Still I remember. You people come on in.
So you just told.
Those two. Or you wrote proof. You wrote in your book also proved. Very good. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Not like Rahi, okay?
No, I'm sure.
Rahi don't give to and gets proof. Also, in the examination, you will start from here. Hence, proved right. So, 3 mark, you will get how many marks? Partly mark you got, no happy she got. Chalo, okay. Let's come to the exercise of 4th question. Okay, yeah, this one. Give the 4th one. Page number, 79.
79 fourth one. In figure show alongside if lines PQ and R is intersect at point T such that PRT equals to 40 degree, RPT equals to 95 degree, TSQ equals to 75 degree, find SQT.
Okay, how will you find out? It's a simple question.
In PRT, I can find the third angle.
In the triangle PRT, you can find out third angle, that is PTR.
Then I
Okay.
can do vertically opposite angle.
PTR is equal to angle STQ, vertically opposite angle. Then again apply angle sum property. Yeah, all of you followed or not?
Yes.
Okay, so right, all of you do it. In triangle PRT, you are done. Who is the class work she is doing? How much she is not? You're done. Okay. In triangle PRT, angle P plus angle T. In triangle PRT, angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR is equal to how much? 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property. What is the value of angle P? P 95. What is the angle R? 40 plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. That is angle PTR. Angle PTR is equal to how much? 180 minus.
135.
That is how much?
45.
45. Which is the vertically opposite angle? Angle STQ. vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle STQ is equal to 45 degree. Now, which is the next triangle? Triangle STQ. In triangle STQ. Which are the angles? Angle STQ plus
Angle Q and S.
angle Q plus angle S 180. 45 plus which angle you have?
75.
Which is 75? Oh, angular. So plus angle Q plus 75. So angle Q is equal to 180 minus how much? 1. Therefore, final answer right. How much? Angle which is equal to SQG is equal to where did you X and Y and go? Whose brother has done for you?
No, I did it right now.
Right now, X and Y and all, it's not true. It's not. Okay, therefore. Hello, you are not studying anything. You need to get 2 slap from me. Your exam over now. Let the mark come now. If less mark means you get from me. How much mark is out of?
30.
Out of 30.
No.
You want the mark also. Huh? Maximum total is mark total 30. Out of 30, you get to about 20.
Yes.
Yes. I'll call mummy. She will tell. If she is telling that you are not studying, you may test. She will tell you are studying. Huh? Yes. Huh? Okay, done. Completed all of you. Surveys. Read the next question.
In the figure, it says PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is parallel to SR, angle SQR is equal to 28 degree, and angle QRT is equal to 65 degree. Then find the values of X and Y.
Yes, all of you try to locate C Q R S T. P Q R S T. Who is talking there? And immediately this is 65 now. And one X there, 1 point. But this is how much? 25. How much is done? 28. This is how much? X. Yes or no? I'm getting point. Who got the answer? Simple. Yes, tell DR. Okay, sir. Oh, Chinese language. Oh, reason. So which 2 angles are equal? So you have to tell now. First you tell PQ is parallel to SR or ST. Therefore, angle PQR is equal to angle QRT. Reason is alternate interior angles. Therefore, you replace X plus. What is she studying now? Is equal to 65. Therefore, very good. That is equal to how much? Oh, smart girl. Okay. Then.
37 plus 90 plus y is equal to y.
So then how did you get in triangle PQS? By angle sum property, no, angle P plus angle PQS. Yes or no? Plus angle BSQ equal to 180. 90. Reason is angle sum property. Got the answer now? Plus PQS is how much X? That is 37. Very good. Sir, very good. Mari, I will give no, don't worry, no. I will not take your elephant. She's scared, I'll take her elephant. Okay. Some secret. So you're scared to go there.
Answer doubt. So can it be angle QPS plus angle PQR equals to 180?
QPS plus
PQR equals to 180. Can it
S
be?
plus.
Yes.
How they are parallel load? They are not. These are parallel now, so this can be 180. Okay now? Yeah. Smart girl. Okay. Hmm? So you didn't know that. Please. You did not ask me, she not. Excellent. All of you followed?
Yes.
Anyone having a, these are the questions will come in the exam. Priyanshi, are you following? Sure. Sure. Okay, read the next question and explain.
In the given figure, triangle A is isosceles in which
Sir, down. Good. Image.
in which angle B is
Not triangle. LM parallel to BC.
parallel to BC.
No. Angle LMC. LMC. Yes, what is your pronoun? You try to find out, okay?
Sir, I've done it in a different.
Whichever you got the answer.
No.
That means it is wrong. Process.
Sir,
You got the same answer?
no, I'm just down.
Ah.
So can it be 28 degrees equal to y adjacent angle? Alternate interior angle.
Array are these two lines are apart. When does alternate interior angles equal? When lines are apart. Are these two are parallel?
No.
So then how can you take?
You and this.
Array then alternate is these two.
That would be.
Okay, sir, down.
So then 28 equals to y, right?
28 is equal. Array these two are equal, means these should be parallel. Understood or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Your doubt is over.
Yes, sir.
Mistakes making. See, you this man is doing all time pass only.
Nothing. The writing. The plastic scale.
Plastic with this one, plastic you will get hurt. You will not get hurt. Don't waste it. I will tell you from the office, call your mom. And I'll make you to sit there over there. Then she will watch what you do in the class. Your mummy. Huh? You want to see?
No.
Huh? Otherwise, I will tell come online and I'll keep this way. See? You want to see this way? I'll ask her to sit in the office and see from here this camera. They will see what you're doing. Even they can record and send it to your mummy. You want to hear? See the things? I'm seriously telling everyone. Drishti to you also. Okay. It's not that you have to receive. Yeah, chalo. Next, hey, got it, Priyanshi. He is making his hairstyle. Array not hairstyle, my dear. This one. He said, actually, mind except for got the answer. Who got the answer? Dia is getting all answers. Cheating, okay. Who else got? Other than Dia? Nobody. How come the others do not get and they only got? Some technique Dia knows.
That's why I just have done it
Last
last year.
year. You are repeating 9th standard? She was in the 9th. Last year also 9th?
No.
Here angle B and angle C are equal now.
Yes.
And we are, so you can take angle, this, what is the value of angle A? 50 degree, 50. You can take x and x now. So in triangle ABC, angle plus some property 1 here. Angle A plus B plus C 180. X plus 50 is equal to how much you'll get?
180.
You will write, I will not give the, this is not the step, I am roughly writing. 2x is equal to 130, x equal to 65.
Yes.
Therefore, this is equal to 65 degree you got. Have you followed all of you? Now, what do you have to find out? LMC. You have BC is parallel to LM. Therefore, angle LMC. Angle LMC plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason for interior angles. Therefore, what is our angle LMC plus 65? 130. 180.
180. Angle is
This is one we got it. This term DR. Yes or no? Very good, Dia. So, homework, whichever the doubt, Dia is going to explain. Why not? Why me? See, you look at your friend now, without any hesitation, he came or she came out now. Even though she made mistake. Huh? So, you are also equally smart, okay? Who said you are not smart? Someone said. Mummy said. Then brother said. Also, you are also smart now. Are you followed? You have to write this one. First, you write angle B is equal to angle C. What are you doing? And write this man, this author is not doing this. Solving what solving? Writing myself. First, you write that angle B is equal to angle C is equal to X. Then in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Is equal to 180. Reason is angle sum property. That is 50 plus x plus x. Are you following Mr. Sarthak?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Write the set properly. Rohan. What is this paper? Yes.
Sir, why didn't we do the third question?
Which one is it?
Third in the 6.3.
We are not done. How come we are done? The parallel is then alternate Indian angle and angles of property we applied now. Also now. Why my dear? Kanika. Future. Kanika problem. No problem. What?
So the next chapter will be Euclid's geometry.
Yes, Euclid geometry.
So previous one was linear equation to variable.
That already done. Okay. So this is clear, all of you. All of you do the question number 4 homework exercise. Homework exercise contains quite a lot of important sums are there. All of it. Question number 4 of homework exercise. Yes, right away. You are reading the question.
In figure, PH is the bisector of angle QPR and PT is perpendicular to QR, so that angle is half angle Q minus angle R.
Yes. You have to read it. One reading one line, this which you can try.
It's not really the mark.
Who asked you to wear the mask? Mommy. See, look at this curve. Covering of this neck. Are you able to do? It's an important question that I am asking people to do. Should I do?
No, sir.
Don't do. Once a day, sir, you do the or work with your. Yeah, I heard. You listen on this. Are you trying to do now? Rahi, what happened? What is happening to your friend? This is a figure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is QPS? PS, no? PS, huh? PS is the bisector, no? Therefore, what will you get? Angle QPS is equal to angle RPS. Let's say both of them equal to X. Okay, both are equal now. Now I am going to take our triangle PQT. Have we seen triangle PQT? By angle sum property, angle Q plus angle QPT plus 90. Yes or no? PTQ is 90 now. Okay. Oh, madam, not followed. Raise sum of the angle Q plus angle QPT plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree.
So the part right.
P means how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many angles are there? Okay, even full angle. This page is clear. This one is copying already. Listen. Now, next step. Angle Q plus. This QPT can be written as angle QPS minus angle TPS. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Is equal to 180 minus 90. This QPS can be written as what? X now. Therefore, angle Q plus X minus angle TPS is equal to 90. This also is clear. Or angle Q is equal to 90 minus X plus angle TPS. This all followed or not? Not followed, tell. Because we have to find out angle Q minus angle R. Now I am going to same way I am going to take triangle PTR. In this one, angle sum property, what will get? Angle R plus angle RPT. PTR is same as how much? Plus 90 equal to 180. It's an angle sum property. Rahi followed or not? Then angle R. Now check. Angle RPT can be replaced as what? Angle TPS minus over plus angle RPS. Yes or no? Plus is equal to 180 minus 90. Now we can replace angle R plus angle TPS plus X is equal to 90. Or angle R is equal to 90 minus X. Yes or no? Minus angle TPS. This also is clear. Second condition. We are going to do from 1 and 2 means 1 equation 1 minus equation 2. What will you get? Angle Q minus angle R is equal to angle Q plus X by
90 minus X plus
90 minus X plus angle TPS
minus
minus in bracket 90 minus X minus angle TPS. I hope all of you followed. Remove the bracket 90 minus X plus TPS minus 90 plus X. What all will cancel? Only 90 X. What is left? TPS and EPS is angle Q minus angle R is equal to 2 angle TPS. Divide by 2. That is the answer or not?
Yes.
Half dividing by 2, what will you get? Half time angle Q minus angle R. Are you followed? Important, it comes in the exam 4 marks. Yeah, what is this all band and all today?
What's all?
1, 3, 1, 5. Today special day.
In French.
Friendship day.
Not today.
Friendship, but life is full of friendship only. Every day is good one. Other days, today's friendship day, all other days are enemies days.
What?
Today's friends, other days are enemies, no?
No.
Mr. Can you see? Oh, sorry. Can you see now? Mr. Sarthak, my friend, study here. Suhan is sleeping at home. Hey, what happened to Avini?
My sister's
So his birthday is coming.
is there to
Actually, today's celebration is going on. The big sister, small sister. She should invite us also, no? She invite you also. She thank juice. Huh? Sister gave. I gave. So she gave. Both Mahakanjis. Well over. Time over. Yes, sir. Hello, completed. I have to tell something that we don't pack the bag. Means here in this exercise, how many questions are there? 8. Out of which 1 is already done. So daily 5 means now when you are going to come? Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 15 questions you have to solve and come. Five questions a day you can do that. No? Hello, you have to do practice. Which chapter, whichever chapter, other than first you do this one, remaining you will take from anywhere else. Any chapter, if you want not questions, this is contain questions. Okay. Your one small test is only over. Now test paper periodic test will come. Keep on coming. Huh? No period test. So then again now semester will come. Usually test is over. Okay. What she's doing more test. Pass to next time. With this part, periodic test. Hello? Okay, Rahi, you will do 20 questions. All other 15. You will not have test now, so you have a lot of time now. Chalo, bye. Bye.
So I had a doubt. So the MEP on Wednesday, MEP on which chapter, like what is the portion?
Wednesday.
Like there are extra sessions, right?
There we can go and see. There will be different topic.
Different. And the test will be after like every chapter is finished or when?
That they will announce that of every chapter. Okay. Done? Yes.
काय झोपायचं उठलं
कोणता?